Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to delete your Arduino Uno program. First, open Arduino IDE. For example, I'm using this code into my Arduino right now. First, you need to create a new sketch. Save it and give it a name. Then connect your Arduino Uno to your computer. After that, you should select the board and the port from here, or just go to Tools, Boards, Arduino Boards and select Arduino Uno. For the port, do the same and check the port that the Arduino is connected to. Then upload this empty code. It should have this setup function and loop function in order to work. Click on Upload and wait for some seconds. And yeah, you have done uploading this empty code. Your Arduino now have deleted the program. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.